Precious Lord. Sa labas kasi tayo kumakain, guys. Bawal magluto sa loob. Oh, makakatipid na tayo.
Taas kayo ang makalaban. Akin yung mga. O sa'yo ito ba ang taas?
guys, gusto kong bumili ng luggage. Kasi napakalaki ng ating maleta. Yung maleta ko pang Korea. Gusto ko yung maliit lang, yung kayang bitbitin. Like this, how much this? Kaya tayo mamimili na hindi tumitingin sa price. Oh guys, nagpapalamig lang ako dito sa department store. Don't get me wrong. I went to, gala. Hanap tayo ng dress na pwede nyo masuot. Ano pag merong magustuhan? Hong Kong. Wala tayong pambayad. Walang dress. Ay, yung mga dresses nyo.
Requesting Ryan to check out counter, please. Ryan to check out counter.
Hanggang tingin lang muna tayo.
Wala akong pa rin.
So, wala na ako. iPhone. Sa Everbilay na. Sa school talaga, Everbilay na yun yung sa aking kilay. Ano ko lang. Ito na yung ano natin mamaya. Kid. Only more for this week. Gamitin ako lang. May Fab Gardenia, Black Forest. Kunti lang dinilit ko guys. Kasi, ito na may wala sa akin. May Fab. Okay, San Miguel. Coffee. Yes. Goodness, nasaan yung aking okay, cream salt for this week. So good for this week na ito. Guys, susubukan lang natin ito kasi hindi ko pa ito na-try. And ito yung gamit ko guys sa aking underarm. Kasi pag mag-video ako, okay, pag may party. So, in Delhi, ito siya. Pili siya sa kahit saan siya. Pili gamitin. Yun lang guys, sa ating pinamili na. Kasi, ito lang yung needed natin. So, bibilhin natin yung mga kailangan lang na bibilhin. Hindi yung mga hindi kailangan, tapos bibili tayo. So, mas less yung gastos pag yung mga needs na yung kailangan. Yung bibilhin natin. Hindi yung mga unnecessary things na hindi naman natin nagagamit or pangmatagalan natin gagamitin. So, isang tabi mo muna natin. Kasi asal mo na yung kailangan na yung ating gagawin, ang ating bibilhin. So, much better na magdala ng listahan kung pumunta doon sa department store or saan ka man bibili ng mga groceries. Okay? Para hindi ka ma-attend o bibili ng mga bagay kung hindi nakalaan or nakalista sa plastic. So, yun guys, the tips are your financial advisor, Gloria Faye. Okay, see you on our next video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. It's open for public and officially open rather. So, dati kasi naka-private lang yun is from on my journey. So, right now, so I open it to the public so that those my people followers will follow our journey in our life. So, from the one up to this moment and up to the future. So, hopefully, sasamahan niyo po ako sa journey natin. So, see you in our next day. Period uploaded. So, to be much more updated, just visit or head out our YouTube channel for more videos uploaded and the updates on my life. See you guys. God bless us all and keeps us. So, hopefully, sasamahan niyo po ako sa journey natin. So, see you in our next day, period uploaded. So, to be much more updated, just visit or head out our YouTube channel for more videos uploaded and the updates on my life. See you guys. God bless us all and keeps us, and God bless us. Be blessed and stay blessed as well. Hi, best friends, fellows, good evening. So, we had our Fabs sugar-free San Miguel coffee. Lagi ko to siya kino-consume since then because it has no sugar. Okay. And red pandesal from our beloved Dairy Pandi Manila. Thank you so much for the pandesal. Yes. And of course, our Dairy Pancit Canton. Ayan guys, nag-crave ako talaga. Kanina ko ito binili. Mga around 4 o'clock. Hindi na siya mainit masyado. Pero ngayon mainit pa naman siya. So, nag-crave ako is breakfast mode. Kain pa doon. Okay. So, from the one up to this moment and up to the future. So, hopefully, dahil sasamahan niyo po ako sa journey natin. So, see you in our next day, period uploaded. So, to be much more updated, just visit or head out our YouTube channel for more videos uploaded and the updates on my life. See you guys. God bless us all and keeps us, and God bless us. Be blessed and stay blessed as well.